I sent the sequence wala this in the middle of the night.
Print it out, yeah.
I wanted to know some of you replied in the middle of the night to my text. So all of you are awake.
What time was it?
I don't remember. It was like, and then you replied at 4:30 a.m.
I get up
Okay.
every
So I
time
said,
my wife wakes
"Hमारे
me
जैसे लोग हैं."
up. No, but I go to sleep immediately. So
I got up also very early. I get up, then
Okay.
I automatically touch my phone, and if I see something.
Okay, that's fine. No problem. I was just
Did it
I was just
disturb
laughing.
you? Maybe
No,
it
no,
disturbed.
no. It's fine. No problem at all. Okay. Om Sahana Bhavatu Sahanau Bhunaktu Sahaviryam Karvavahai Tejasvinavadhitamastu Ma Vidvishavahai. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hari Om Shri Guru Pyo Namaha. Hari Om. We do the second one I had said was, what do we do? Guru
Guru Brahma.
Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Om Bhud Bhuvasvaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Na Prachodayat. Okay, so before we go to that, what I wanted to do was, remember we talked about Danam, meaning donations, and there was a slight not confusion, but people had different opinions. So I just wanted to bring us back to the Bhagavad Gita, that 3 shlokas about donation. And the way I look at it, that if we have any question, if there are some verses in the scripture about it, we should always know it, and then we can make a better decision.
Yes.
It doesn't say do this or do that, it just tells you what it is. So from that perspective, there is a chapter 17 in Bhagavad Gita which has a 3-fold faith. And if you know what they mean by 3-fold faith, is like, you have heard of the word sattvic, rajasic and tamasic, right? Mm-hmm. So here it talks about 4 different things that we do. Every human being does those 4 things. One is eating, and one is, they call it yagna. Yagna, classical, it sounds like a worship, but yagna means, in Bhagavad Gita, yagna means all the actions that we do. So food, action, austerity is tapas. Tapas is something like we do something, we sacrifice to gain something higher. For example, we are sacrificing our time to come here so that we can learn something higher. So that's called tapas. Or a mother does or a housewife does for home, she will forgo her sleep for this. So that's the tapas. And the 4th one is charity. People give charity. It's not only monetary charity, but we give our time, we give, some advice, everything comes out of that. So Bhagwan says that all of that we all need to do, and we do it anyway, but they can be either rajasic, tamasic or sattvic. So this is like a dial of a dashboard in a car. Where do I stand? Where does the car's health stand, So that's what it is. So it's like a mirror. Mm-hmm. So there were 3 verses about Danam. And here it says charity also can be under 3 kinds. And the verse is verse 20 of chapter 17. And it says, in Sanskrit it says, Datavyamiti yaddanam diyate nupakarine deshe kale cha patre cha taddanam satvikam smritam. And the English translation is, that gift which is given, knowing it to be a duty in a fit time and place to a worthy person from whom we expect nothing in return, is held to be sattvic. So a person who is giving a sattvic dan thinks that it is his duty, thinks that this is the right time and place, and the person is worthy. Oh, there she comes. We were just wondering, I was hoping that you don't get too lost.
Get lost? No, I knew this place.
Yeah.
So, but I forgot that address. I couldn't get to know.
But after I gave you, did it work? It took you a long time.
It took me a long time because, I came, but I was looking around over here.
But that's why I sent that text. I don't know if you got it across from
Just now
Ralph.
when I was driving,
Oh,
so
yeah.
when I had to, when I stopped, then I looked at it.
Okay. So now everybody knows.
Yeah.
Anyway, so what I'm doing is, firstly, would you like some coffee?
Yeah, I think I'll get some coffee.
Yeah. So, and you can just listen while you're making the coffee.
I'll get some too.
Yeah. So then I can stop for a few minutes.
Also quick.
Because I can guide you because I made some mistakes in the coffee place.
to the restroom?
Yes.
Oh,
From here, please. You need to go.
Not now, later.
This door, you go
Yeah.
inside and then there's one. Yeah. What kind do you want? You want cafe latte?
Yeah.
Okay, because Joshua.
So,
First you have to do cappuccino. And
then
do
Nina?
latte. And there. ये वाला करना है? This is like a regular, this is grande. This is
No, regular.
How's Nina?
आप कौन सा लेंगे? कोई? Okay, buddy.
she's okay, but
Yeah.
she gets tired very soon. And now our both kids are coming. Every time my daughter comes, she gets so exhausted with the two kids. And one of them is on gluten-free diet because she has the brain thing. So it's very taxing. And now this time, both my son is coming with his two.
Tell your daughter do not allow her mother to do anything because
No, because she Nina has a problem. She's compulsory, what they call obsessive. She needs to clean everything, and she doesn't want. Even if the daughter does work, she has to re-clean. Even when she goes to her house, she gets exhausted. So now my son is coming, and there's a wedding here, Rajkumar's son.
this looks too tempting.
So our son said,
He did. She brought it for us. Oh, Kolu?
so you know Rajkumar.
See, now you must be having a big account.
It's a new one. She brought.
Are they all the same? I wonder.
No, there are 3 different kinds. I have no clue.
Tell me which one is the best. So I can only have one.
This is what's going to end up happening to us. Instead of the nice food that we eat with the nutrition, we're going to keep eating junk food.
I know. I'll wait till you people tell me which one is the
Oh,
best.
you're waiting. Wait.
All of them are about the same.
No, I know. Which one is less sweet?
All of them
This
are.
is definitely less sweet because this is sugar coated.
Yeah.
Oh, this one.
Yeah.
Okay, ये तो ये लो आप.
Okay.
Yeah, you should take the middle one.
Right.
When I came to America, no, I used to stay just close by over here, Gilman Drive. There's a very nice park there.
Oh, I came through Gilman Drive.
You know, so that's why I took the exit. I was thinking, should I take Lower Village Drive? Should I take Gilman Drive? Which has less sugar?
Middle. There's an apple. Okay, so we were talking about charity, and the English translation of the first verse is that gift which is given, knowing it to be the duty in a fit time and place to a worthy person, from whom we expect nothing in return, is held to be sattvic. So he's saying that fit time and place to a worthy person. So a lot of people, there's one school of thinking which you were talking about, is that charity must be given just as a tree gives to its fruit. The fruit on the tree is available to whoever comes, and under its shade also, irrespective of race, status, or sex. They argue that as the tree do not make any discrimination between one enjoyer and the other, so too man should, without making any discrimination between one recipient and other, share the possessions freely. So that's one school. But here Swamiji makes a comment, many will find it difficult to believe in and live up to this principle, means where this is that time and place and worthy person. And the Gita insists, and rightly so, that the man must use his faculty of discrimination and see whether his charities are reaching the deserving member of the community. So that's the principle. Ki bhai, Bhagwan has given you, because that we, personally I think I know in America, There are many, or even in India, I mean, or bhi hoga. There are a lot of cheats who will take your money and put it on misuse, and there are worthy people are not given. We already know. So I think that's where this comes in. It's just a little cautious. So that's the sattvic dan. Now Rajasic type is also described below. If you give a dan, and there are two verses, I'll say the Sanskrit part. It helps me to practice.
You know,
And we
one
know that it's,
place I read, that Bhagwan had put it very beautifully, कि पैसे के संग चाहिए दिल और दिल के संग चाहिए दिमाग.
yeah, okay.
It
skip
was so beautiful,
Yes,
you know.
yes. So you
that
have to use
पैसा
your
हो
faculty.
है तो
Yeah.
पैसे के संग दिल भी नहीं तो कंजूस भी बहुत होते हैं.
Exactly. उसके पीछे दिमाग चाहिए किसको दे रहा है क्या करना है उस पैसे
हाँ,
का.
और दिल के पीछे चाहिए दिमाग.
No, that nicely, very nicely
It's
put.
so nicely put.
So the Sanskrit is yatu pratyuprakarartham phalamuddishya va punaha diyate cha pariklishtam taddanam rajasam smritam adesha kale yaddanam apatrebhyascha diyate asakrutam vagyatam tattamasad mudahritam. So the second one is, and that gift which is given with a view to receiving in return or looking for a fruit again or reluctantly is held to be Rajasic. And a lot of us give that way in this world, unfortunately. One is like, oh, they say, oh, what will I get? It can be name and fame. You get, your name comes everywhere. Or, oh, मैंने उसको दिया, उसने मुझे क्या दिया,
Like
something.
you give it to Bhagwan and then you ask for
Exactly, that comes under Rajasic, exactly. Or reluctantly, like your friend will say, hey, give this charity, and you don't feel like, but you don't want to say no to them. I mean, it happens all the time.
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
And they, okay, Baba, de do thoda sa, nahi to apni इज्जत का फालूदा हो जाएगा, de do. So like that comes under Rajasic.
That's typical Bengali language, Bombay language. Jet ka faluda.
It's going to come, what can I say? I'm from Mumbai. Okay, third one, the Tamasic Dan. So you say that gift which is given in a wrong place and time, wrong time and wrong place, to unworthy person, without respect or with insult. Like कोई भिखारी आया तो उसके ऊपर फेंक दिया, you know, ले जा, मर, whatever, something like that, you know, is declared to be tamasic. And then I think that we had discussed that some of the dan people, or they say, oh, I'm doing charity, but you giving like winter clothes in some summer place where there is no winter. उस पे जाके तुम अपना कोट दे रहे हो किसी को, something, you know, wrong place, wrong time हो गया. I'm giving example of wrong place, time. Unworthy person would be, you know, somebody who is, sometimes you see these hatta katta people on the street and they say, oh, give me money,
Homeless.
and then when you give them food, I don't want food, give me money. God knows they may be going and taking drugs.
Drugs, of course.
So we don't know. So that becomes like that. So I guess, I hope that helped. Just a little guide.
Every American company, if you give donation, 80 to 90% go to the bosses
Yeah.
for expenses.
Yes. Yeah.
Only 10% goes to the poor people.
Yeah.
That's
Yes.
exactly what
It's
I was
legal.
saying. You didn't know
I
that?
would
Legal.
never give.
Legal.
I only give where I know that is going to be used for GAN.
Yes.
And
But-
GAN ke saath education.
But
So
all
I
American companies, 80-90% goes to the bosses.
In administration, it goes.
I feel like places like Gita Press Gorakhpur, Art of Living, any of these, you know, realized
Oh, yeah,
soul
yeah, it was
places
the
where
Indians.
they really use it.
Indian companies use 90% to the poor, only 10% goes to the expenses.
Huh.
America is the other way around.
Yeah.
In this thing,
So
I mean,
to me, Krishna Bhagwan kind of is giving us very good guidelines about, you know, how to give, if you want to give. Okay.
if you
so-
want to give क्या है? तुम्हारा पैसा शुद्ध ही नहीं होगा तुम दोगे नहीं तो वो अशुद्ध का अशुद्ध रह जाएगा.
Right. But you know, like जब हम देते हैं तो फिर like he talked about it. The one way of thinking is okay, you give it to whoever comes. But the Bhagavad Gita says no. If you want it to be sattvic, sattvic danam, then you have to follow those rules. Okay. So we'll do the shanti part of our own this thing that we're pursuing.